Costs of health insurance, whether you get coverage through work or buy it on your own. Clearly some very important things to know before you lock in a plan for 2026. Jen Burke from the Maine Credit Union League joins us with some financial tips to help people choose the plan that best fits their needs and of course their budget. Jen, why is open enrollment such an important time?
It's an important time because you want to make sure you have the health insurance coverage that not only meets your health needs but your financial needs as well. And if you're a family or an individual that currently doesn't have health care coverage, now is the time to get your coverage secured for 2026. But health insurance is a big investment for individuals and families, and a lot of folks are going to see sticker shock this year, whether you get your plan privately through your employer or on the open marketplace here in Maine. Prices are going up, so it's really important to take the time and analyze what will work best for you next year.
Yeah, it's a big decision.
It's a huge decision.
Yeah, so reporting the government shutdown is now over, but can you talk about the impact that it will have on people's ability to enroll for next year?
Well, fortunately, throughout the government shutdown, people were still able to enroll when the open enrollment started, but they may, if they had questions, they may have not been able to reach somebody as quickly as they would have liked. That should all dissipate, hopefully, as things start to reopen back up. But it's really important that you analyze those plans and crunch the numbers, make a checklist. And if you have health insurance through your employer, make sure what you have is working. The best disservice you could do to your own self is just to say, I'm going to take what I did last year. But just because you had something in 2025 doesn't mean it's going to work for you in 2026. Are you planning to expand your family? Are you going to be having a surgery? Make sure you're covered in all those areas because it's so expensive, but it's also so important for your health.
Yes, and so what would be your advice to people out there?
Don't wait. Right. Do your homework, and again, don't assume what you've had is working. Make sure it is working. And then, if you have a partner that has health insurance, don't necessarily assume the best option is combining coverages. It may be best if you keep your insurance and your partner keeps their insurance. There's just so many things that are going into this year, especially as prices raise, that you have to crunch the numbers and make sure you're protected and make sure you can financially afford the plan that you choose.
Okay, all right. Jen Burke from the Maine Credit Union League, thank you so much for coming in.
It's a really important time, but people have time. They've got a few months, especially if they're doing it on the open marketplace here in Maine. And not every employer has open enrollment right now, but a lot of them do. So take advantage of this time while you have it.
Yeah, crunch the numbers, as you said.
Crunch the numbers, yep.
All right, Jen Burke, Maine Credit Union League, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you.
And